Are you stuck trying to remove an Apple ID from an iPhone or iPad without the password? Whether you're dealing with a second-hand device, forgot the credentials, this video has got you covered. Today, I'll walk you through a few methods to remove an Apple ID without needing the password. So, let's get started. First, open Settings. Scroll down. Then navigate to Face ID and Passcode. Scroll down and tap on Stolen Device Protection. And you have to turn off Stolen Device Protection right from here. Initially, you'll have a security delay of an hour, so you have to come here again after an hour to turn this off. Once turned off, go back. And swipe all the way to the top of the settings. And tap on your iCloud account. Then navigate to Sign In and Security. Under Security, you'll see an option to change password. Tap on it. Enter your iPhone passcode. And now you can enter your new password and the password will be updated. Make sure to use at least one capital letter and a number or a special character. Once the password is changed successfully, go back. And scroll down. Tap on Sign Out. And you can sign out by giving the new password. Removing an Apple ID without the password can seem like a daunting task, but with the right method, it's definitely possible. Remember to always use ethical practices and prioritize device security. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.